Here are 5 things to know before you go gorilla trekking. 1. Physical fitness. Gorilla trekking can involve hiking through challenging terrain, sometimes at high altitudes. While you don't need to be in peak physical condition, a moderate level of fitness is recommended. The treks can last anywhere from a few hours to a full day, so be prepared for some physical exertion. 2. Permits are required. Gorilla trekking permits are strictly limited in number to protect the gorillas. Permits can be expensive, so it's important to factor this into your budget. Be sure to book your permits well in advance, especially if you're traveling during peak season. 3. Be respectful of the gorillas. Gorillas are wild animals, and it's important to respect their space. Maintain a distance of at least 7 meters, 23 feet from the gorillas, and avoid making loud noises or sudden movements. If a gorilla approaches you, don't make eye contact or run away. Simply back away, slowly and calmly. 4. What to pack. Wear long pants, long-sleeved shirts, and sturdy hiking boots. Bring a rain jacket, as it can rain unexpectedly in the rainforest. You'll also want to pack insect repellent, sunscreen, a hat, and plenty of water. 5. Be patient. There's no guarantee that you'll see gorillas on your trek. However, if you're patient and follow your guide's instructions, you'll have a good chance of encountering these amazing creatures. Imagine the thrill as you come face to face with a gorilla family. Witnessing a silverback gently caressing its young or a playful juvenile frolicking in the undergrowth is an experience that will stay with you forever. As your time with the gorillas comes to an end, you'll leave with a newfound appreciation for these magnificent creatures and their fragile habitat. Your visit not only creates unforgettable memories, but also helps support conservation efforts. Gorilla trekking is an adventure unlike any other. It's a chance to connect with nature, witness the power of wildlife, and leave a positive impact on these beautiful creatures.